children, yesterday we did this page 21 and we started a new poem, that is the coming of spring. I hope you understood these lines and the poem. So children, we are going to write the hard words of this poem and the word meanings. So children, I am sending you a pic of the hard words you have to write in your English literature copy. Is that clear, beta? Am I clear to you? So you have to write the hard words in your English literature copy, and I have written. I will just show you how you have to write it. So children, write today's date, poem the coming of spring, and hard words, and you have to write these 15 hard words. Okay children, don't worry, I'll send you a snap of this page. Okay, then after writing hard words, you have to write word meanings. Children, I have not written these word meanings, you have to do it by yourself. So there are 8 word meanings, and it is given in the book. So you have to copy the word meanings from here. Clear? Instead of new words, cut new words and write word meanings. Children, by this time you know how to write the word meanings. Clear? See this page you have to write, and you have to mention the number also, and then write left side words and right side meanings. So children, you have to write this meaning also. Okay, let me count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. You have to write the meaning of this phrase also in your word meanings. Clear? And this work you have to do in which copy? In English literature copy. Clear? So the first meaning is arrival, that is coming. Cheer, joy or happiness. Peep, a quick look. Sills, the edges of windows. Pretty, beautiful. Unfold, to spread out, bloom or grow. Introduce, to announce. Serene gold, the golden yellow light of the sun. Clear children? So do it in your English literature copy and send me the pictures. So let's start the exercise which is given on page 22. Open page 22 and just read out the questions and explain you the answers. Comprehension. A. Choose the correct options to answer the following questions. What is the feeling in the world on the arrival of the spring season? So when the spring season arrives, then what is the feeling in the world? It is the feeling of happiness. Beta sadness nahi hota, no anger, no fear. It is a feeling of happiness when the spring arrives. Clear? Number 2. Which flowers has the poet mentioned in the poem? So this question explains that the poet has mentioned some of the name of the flowers in the poem. So which are the flowers that the poet has mentioned in the poem? That is roses, lilies and daffodils. Just look, you can turn up the page and see these. The beautiful roses, lilies and daffodils. Okay, the poet has mentioned these names of the flowers in his poem. Clear? And Sanchit Saluja is the poet, right? Poet. He is the poet of the poem. Turn to page 22 now. Tick D option. Clear? Roses, lilies and daffodils are the flowers that the poet has mentioned in the poem. How does the number 3, how does the garden look during the spring season? So how does the garden look? The garden looks pretty. Clear? Pretty means beautiful. The garden looks beautiful with all the flowers blooming and spreading out in the garden. Clear? Moving to next page, that is page 23. Number 4, what does the poet mean by the phrase the sun's morning serene gold? So the question asks that what does the phrase sun's morning serene gold means? So it means option B, that is the golden yellow light of the sun in the morning. Children, when the sun rises and its yellow and orange light falls on the surface of the earth, on the garden, on the flowers, on the houses, then it looks like a golden yellow light. Clear? So kindly mark the option B. So children, we have completed this exercise also in your book, and in the next class we are going to do the question answers. Clear? And don't copy the exercise. You don't have to write it down, the exercise, in your copy. In the copy you have to only write the hard words and the word meanings. Clear? And in the next class we are going to write the question answers. Clear? Am I clear to you, children? Okay. Then if you have any doubt or query regarding the poem and the exercise, kindly WhatsApp me in the group. So thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy.